feeling? Sleepy?
No.
Excited?
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Here we are at Hongik station. We are going to make our way to the Namsan area there, and we'll see you guys. We are now at the Namsan cable car station, and there was literally no queue going up to the third floor, and we took a taxi up here. It cost about like 4,600 wons, so it's not bad. We are at the Namsan Park. It's really nice. The autumn foliage, unfortunately, most of it have already kind of like gone. It's such a beautiful day. I really love it. This would be our second time here. The last time we were here was on the eve of New Year's Day. That was back in 2018, and it was so crowded at that point of time. But we just went ahead, and really nice to be here right now. There's not much of a crowd. The cable car ride was pretty much good.
We are at Namsan Tower. Today is my very special day because I got these two sparkly coins.
In front of you? Yes, you can see. Okay, and
And then the
side?
other one is
Yes.
this. And then we got one more.
Yeah, one more. Yeah, bit here. Yeah. Okay. Is
Like-
there anything on the other side of this, the copper one?
No,
Okay, so
There's
basically
nothing.
this one is only one-sided.
and this one is two-sided.
Yeah. So this is copper color, and this is
Gold color.
gold color. And how much this cost?
Uh,
2,000 won.
and this one is 5,000 won.
5,000 won. Okay. So where are we now?
At Namsan Tower, and my favorite thing is I like to go take the new Korea trains.
Korea trains. It's
And also taking the cable car.
cable car. Okay. But were you scared just now? The cable
No,
car?
a little.
A little. Okay.
Yes.
But how about the weather? The weather, is it like cold?
Good and cool.
Cold. Okay. So you must drink a lot of water. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, so currently right now we are at Kampungku after we have visited the Namsan Tower, and Ara would like to show what he got.
Ta-da! I Hello. I'm making rainbow hearts. You know, for Abba.
Okay.
But this time got something more special. It got buttons and you can open its doors. Ta-da!
Apparently some of the stall is still closed or got closed due to COVID. But yeah, it seems like it's picking up, and yeah, there's still crowds here. Not as much as the first time that we came here, but it's oh yeah, it's Monday. Yeah, that's a good point. Let's go to the left and let's walk, see what's up over there. So Adam is being a big boy right now. Wanting to walk on your own, huh? Are you a big boy now? Come on.
Alright, so I got myself an egg pastry. This costs about 2,000 won. Yeah, still hot. Oh, hot. Oh. But hot. It's not so sweet on top of the egg. Okay.
Aiza's asleep, so we can't get her the fruit that she wants to eat. What's nice to see is constructions. It symbolizes, or it shows that someone or a business is coming in and yeah, giving us the tourists, the shoppers more options. Ooh, chestnuts. Honey butter almond. What's F? What's F? Can someone tell me what's F? Is it the F word? The kind of word that's not good to say. But I'm full. I'm like, I'm very full. This one? Yeah, a bit. Yeah. So custard cream and red bean. Yep, that's all. Thank you. That's all we got. Alright, our food reviewer, Mr. Adam Harif. He looks worried. He looks worried. Whoa, whoa. Wow. And he is it. Right? Oh yeah, it's like what? It's like very crispy on the outside. No, I'm not. So yeah, Busan Jib, but we're not eating it today. Just having a look. Oh, they have the K barbecue. We'll be back mid-December. K barbecue will be back on mid-December. This one is I think the original one. Yeah. So this Olive Young store is is one of the spots that is prominent for us, because back then when our trip, Adam actually went inside to actually poop and lick his diapers, and his shirt and pants was basically soiled. And yeah, we spent quite a while inside this store to actually wash him up, and yeah, got ourselves coffee after that. You remember that?
Yeah. We went to a coffee place while waiting.
Yeah, I had to be the one cleaning up, of course. I don't know whether it's considered minimal, but yeah, it looks minimal kind, sort of Christmas lightings. But yeah, I mean, like, it's better than nothing, right? So yeah, looks incredibly tempting. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So yeah, like what I'm seeing right now is it's very encouraging to see lots of new spots or places that is being under construction. I mean, like, it's always good to know that the place is still alive. It's still drawing people and tourists to come over. Mm. Oh, cute gloves, cute gloves, cute gloves alert, cute gloves alert. Okay, that settles it. Some frozen gloves for the little girl. I mean, at this point, I should be calling her little princess instead of little girl. What she wants, 95% she'll get. So yeah. Right, let's keep walking. Currently right now it's 5 p.m. Korean time. And yeah, to see how's the street market life is all about. Yeah, that's people. It doesn't look crowded yet. I assume that it's gonna get way crowded a bit later. But yeah, that's the reason why we came slightly early, to avoid the crowds, because we are traveling with a stroller today. Looks like I lost the missus and the two kids. Not sure where they are right now. Let's have a mini look around and see if we can spot them. At this point, I'm not sure whether I'm the one who's lost or they are the one who's lost.
So that's pomegranate juice. This one is the sweet pancakes. And we had this as well for Aiza, but ended up she only ate one while I had to eat the other one. And Syafiq finished up the last two remaining strawberries. The strawberry is nice, but because of the caramel, it's too sweet. Yeah, so she didn't like it. And we got her some frozen gloves, but it was quite overpriced. I got this mochi as well. Um, it's 3,000 won. It's huge. Aiza ate half of it, and then she couldn't finish it. So yeah. So basically today is to try out food, sign up for the halal food, and going through the night market in Myeongdong. Not really a shopping day. We'll leave it to like probably the next week. Yeah.